everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to log a call in Salesforce. So let's proceed and understand what is log a call means. So when you listen a log a call, the first thing that comes in your mind is a phone call. But the reality is not same. So basically, log a call refers to any communication that we had in a Salesforce. In Salesforce, logging a call refers to the process of recording the details of a phone call or a conversation with a customer, prospect, or any other relevant contact. These features help the user to keep track of interaction and ensures that important information is documented for future reference. Let's take an example to clearly understand this logo code. For example, you meet your client in a cafe and discuss something important and you want to note it down or create a task, whatever your client say to you in Salesforce. So for this, use a logo call feature of Salesforce. So let's move to our Salesforce account and discuss how to log a call in Salesforce Lightning. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So let's learn log a call in Lightning component. So for this we click on the app launcher. These 9 doors show the app launcher. Click on this and you have to select an app or either you can directly search for the contact item. So here I select the service app and after selecting the service app it will redirect us to the service app page. And after selecting it on the top tab bar we have a different tabs present and here I select the contact tab. Now after selecting this we want to log a call. Now select the name to whom you want to a log a call. There are record present, so select any of the record to whom you want to log a call. So here I select this Lisa Dio and so here I select the Lisa Dio, the name of my contact for whom I want to log a call, and after clicking it, it redirect me to the specific person page and here you can see that in this activity component that is present on the right side we have a different activities and on the number settings we have an option of logo call. This is a logo call option, so I click on this option. So here you can see that you can the logo call pop up, the logo call dialog box is open. So here you can see that you can fill up some information. So firstly expand this by clicking on the arrow and you can see this is expanded. So firstly you have to enter the subject here and we have a different option and like call, email, send letter, send quote, others, and here I select the email option and then you have enter the comment and here I enter the comment. This is a sample logo call. After entering the comment and here I enter this. After entering the comment and now you can see the name is already selected and you can also select to the account to whom it is related to. And here I select the account as this and after selecting the account click on the save button and here we go. When you click on it show you the message like task email was created. So with this we have learned to create a logo call in Salesforce and you can see that when you save the call the task automatically show up in the past activities like this. So here you can see that there is a one more past activity is shown and so it is automatically go to the past activities as the due date is set to the current date and the status is automatically set to the completed. So if you want to edit this date, comment status or create follow-up task, even you want to edit it or even you want to delete it, you can simply click on this arrow and here are the lots of options. You want to click any of this and you can edit any of the functionality and perform any of the functionality that it is provided. So with this, we have learned how to log a call in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.